I think. One is got two. Okay. No!
Hey, stop.
Oh, no. Is this some kind of repeating hallway? Oh, it is, isn't it? Let's go. Ah! I'm okay.
What'd you get, Shay Shay?
I got me a little duckling.
Don't do it, Jerry! Don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry! Those were my grandma's ashes! Get out of the house!
Oh.
First, gonna take a bath. Oh.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
So, the government doesn't want you to know this, but you know ducks? Like the ones you see at the park? Yeah, they're free. You can just take one and bring it home with you. It's really...
The little baby ducks. There's a baby duck right here. I don't know. What the hell? This is so cute! Damn you, I will not be ignored! Get back in here! Get back in here and love me! Ah!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the... No, 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 no.
Get the boat away.
Yeah! Yeah! Come there with the duck, boy. Oh, no.
There you go. How about... Not my phone. How about this one? There you go. Oh, did you drop it? Wait, you forgot this one. What about this one? There you go.